She got stuffing in there. See, stuffing carrots into a PVC pipe is kind of like women. You inspect your pipe, just like your woman. Make sure it's clean. You get your carrot, your rod, and if it doesn't fit, you make it fit. That's life.
Then you have some bitch eat the scraps.
90.
Yeah.
89.
Yeah, but... No, I'm just gonna shoot the dog. Just kidding, I'm not a rapist yet.
Anymore. Look in the trees.
I'm going up in that tree.
Alright, ready? Hold on, focus.
Yeah, you got it?
I got it. Hey, hit the tree.
That's our hunting dog right there. Tell us where there's the birds. Where are the birds? Go get the birds. Maybe later. Just loading up and we found that bird. Found a flock of birds. So we need to be quiet. Oh God, dog. Okay, we got a dog here.
Now, once we shoot, she kills. Shh. Hold on, focus.
Firing.
Okay.
Okay, so successful hunt for today.
Yeah.
It was good.
Hi, Mom. Have you
No.
watching this?
Okay, let me show you what we got a kill of. Got one right here. Yeah, we really took it out. Really fucked that up. Some carrots. Subscribe for more. See you later.